Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on your laptop. So to start the screen recording, you have to either use a combination of Windows, Shift and R buttons by pressing them all together like this, or you can simply tap on the print screen button, which is located right here. So go ahead with any option that you like, and once you tap one of these buttons, you'll have to select the record option right here. And to start the recording, let's select the area on the screen which we want to record. Once we selected it, we can also reshape it, change the size however we like. And to start, on this bar right now, we can choose to unmute our microphone by clicking this icon, or mute the system audio by clicking on this icon. And to start the recording, click this button. Let's let the snipping tool use the microphone. So during the recording, you can pause the video by clicking this icon. You can stop and save the recording by clicking this one icon, or you can delete the recording without saving by clicking on the trash bin icon. So once you're happy with the result, click on the red square button, and right here you'll see the video that you just took. You could edit it in Clipchamp. It's already saved, and you can find it in the File Explorer in the Videos folder, Screen Recordings, and here is the screen recording that we just made. And so basically that's how you record screen on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.